Hi everyone, it's Cherie from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop, and today we're going to be doing the file from littlescrapsofheaven.com called Summer Plans. We're going to start with the title and the sun using Barely Art glue. My sun colors are going to be Tangerine by American Crafts is the orange, and the yellow is Honey Bear by Encore. My title is going to be Taffy, which is the pink, by American Crafts, and that off-white is called Cream Puff by Basil. It's an oldie but goodie, and again I'm going to use the Tangerine by American Crafts. I did import the title at 6.0 into Cricut Design Space and let the height auto adjust, and the penguin, which I will be showing shortly, imports with the sun at a width of 6.5, and I let the height auto adjust. I went ahead and glued the off-white, which is Cream Puff, to the pink taffy base, and then I'm gluing the letters down. I used my Barely Art glue on the word summer, but how thin my letters for the word plans are, I went ahead and ran it through a Xyron sticker maker. All of my supplies come from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. But also, again, I did mention in my other video, if you go to Encore Paper on Amazon, you can buy 25 packs of your favorite colors, your most used colors. There's no minimum for shipping on that. It's free shipping, which I love. I did order the multi-pack because it is my go-to of Encore, just because I'm trying to finish using up my American Crafts batch of paper that I've collected over the years, and I'm slowly converting over to Encore just because it's a better cutting when it comes to intricate cuts. For me, that is very important. They're both great papers. I'm just really liking the price and the precision cutting of Encore. So for the penguin, he goes together really easy. It's black and white, and that could be Encore or American Crafts, any colors of your choice as far as brand. And again, I used the same colors of Taffy and Tangerine. We're going to glue the white belly onto the black part of the belly. And I went ahead and put his arms behind his body and glued his little feet on. And the head is super easy because there's no eyes. You're going to glue the white part down to the black head. And his glasses, I already pre-did those just to make sure that I didn't need to cut them differently and let you guys know, such as contour option, because sometimes the lenses are cut out almost perfectly the same size and they need to be glued down first and then the glasses, but not in this case. They fit nice and snug behind the actual frame. As you saw, I lined it up with the nose, put the nose on, glued the body down, and this set's already done. It's super simple, super easy, and just a really cute summer layout piece. You can use it on a card or for a layout. Any questions, let us know, and thanks for watching.